wanted a little puppy for so long. Like, I remember I would be in 7th grade crying, begging my parents, asking them for a puppy, and finally my dad just came home with one day. So let me tell you the full story. So I drive to the gym. Like, the gym is not the funnest place to get to. Then I get there, I park, and I'm just about to get out of my car, and my dad calls me and he's like, you need to come home, like I need the bigger car so I can like move things. So I was so angry. And then I walk through the house and he's like, sorry again, like my keys are near the back door, you could take my car. So I'm like, fine. So I walk through the kitchen and I open the door a little bit and I see a crate out of the corner of my eye and I'm like, what? And then I fully open the door and my sister is standing there with this little baby puppy, and I start hysterical crying. So his name's Scout. He's 9 weeks and he's a mini Australian Shepherd. And he has like bluish greenish eyes. And he's the cutest puppy I've ever seen.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
So I thought I would do a little video introducing him, and I'm so excited to have a little baby. Whenever, is it just me, or whenever there's like a dog or something really cute around, like a baby, you just have to speak in like 12 different voices. He likes to bite everything. He's still not potty trained. He still can't go outside because he doesn't have all his shots. So we have to wait before he can play with other dogs and run around. So for right now, he just runs around our house like a crazy person. And, oh, okay. He's so hard to like keep entertained. He's doing really good though. I'm surprised. His 2 favorite toys are these 2. That's why I brought them up. It's like this white one and this little one that squeaks. He likes things that make noise. So today I'm gonna give him a bath, and I thought I'd film it for you guys because, you know, what's cuter than a little puppy taking a bath? Oh my god, oh my god. Chill. Just chill. I'm really hoping he like doesn't pee on my bed or do anything crazy. Scout, you wanna say hi to our friends? You wanna say hi to the viewers? Hi. He's like, what am I doing? Ah, he's not about it. Scout is getting restless, so I think we should go give him a bath now because you stink. Yeah, mister. You freaking stink. This will be Scout's first bath, so let's go. That was like a really weird, I don't even know what that was. Let's just go. Go, let's go give you a bath. It's time for a bath. Yay. You smell really bad. Look, baby. Look, water. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. It's just water. No, don't be scared. You're okay. Oh my god, I didn't think you were gonna be scared. It's nice water. Okay. It's okay, Scout. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Water, yay. Okay, so now we're gonna put this perfect coat shampoo on to your wet coat. Gently massage from head to tail. Okay. Oh my god, you're shaking! You're all soapy. Oh, you look so cute right now. Scrub dub in the tub. Oh, you don't like it, huh? You don't like it. Okay, I know you don't like it. Oh, stop crying, you're gonna make me cry. Okay, let me clean your butt really quick. Stop crying because you're making me feel really bad. He's so freaking cute. Like, I can't even. You're done! Yay! Come here, baby. Okay. You're actually a little baby.
clear are not the words you hear, and the words I speak are not the words you speak. The world is spinning in my head. Blinded by the city lights, numb to the summer nights, blurry mess on my mind. Maybe I should.
First blowout, first bath. 2 milestones. Nice. Shake it out. Okay. I smell like wet dog. This is good. Everything's fine. Are you biting? Earrings! Oh my goodness! No! Did you get your toy? Oh my goodness, Bella got you a toy! So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me introducing Scout to my channel and to my life and to you guys. And I hope to have him in more videos soon because he's such a blast, let's face it. Plus, he's not too bad to look at either. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and follow my Instagram and my Twitter, which I will have linked in the description box. And leave a comment about any videos you want to see next, or what kind of dog you have, or what kind of pet you have, or what kind of pet you want. And I will see you guys next week. Thumbnail. Ready? Thumbnail. You're so cute! I freaking love you!